All right, hey there, boys and girls. We have day one of our December daily math already. So, problem number one says match. We have 4 times 3, 4 times 4, and 4 times 5. We have 20, 12, and 16. Well, 4 times 3, 4 threes, 3 6, 9 12. 4 fours, 4 8, 12 16. And 4 fives, 5 10 15 20. Okay, with the digits 6, 3, and 9, what is the smallest number you can make using all three of them? Well, we have to start with the 3 because that's the smallest number. Then we have either the 6 or the 9. Which one's smaller? Because 369 would be less than 396. So we need the 6 first and then the 9. All right. There are 8 tables in the art room. 32 students arrive for art class. Mrs. Wilson, the art teacher, wants them to sit with an equal number at each table. How many will sit at each table? She should probably be teaching math along with this, huh? 8 tables, 32 students. So this would be 32 divided by 8. So how many times does 8 go into 32? 8, 16, 24, 32. 8 times 4 equals 32. So there would be 4 students at each table. Okay. And if you wanted to, you could like make your 8 tables. Maybe you wanted to just go like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 8 tables. And then you could start going and putting a little mark in each one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And you can see kind of there are 4 dots in each little square table there. So 4 students at each table. Okay, what time is it? I see that it is between the 12 and the 1, but it's not quite at the 1, is it? If I continue that off. So it's going to be 12 something. So there's our 12 something. And then we can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, show 6 5s, or 6 times 5 on this number line. Write the equation. So I'm going to write the equation. 6 times 5 equals 30. And we're going to go, there's 1 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one of these jumps is worth 5, and we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. 6 times 5 equals 30. All right, boys and girls, great job on day one. We'll see you tomorrow.